Hi, my name is Chavi Kalra. Today, I'm going to tell you how we will connect to a virtual machine in Azure and install Active Directory inside that virtual machine. On the left pane, I'll go to the virtual machine section. I will click on the virtual machine to which I want to connect. Since my virtual machine is already started, which I can see from here, and the status that it is running. I will click on connect. This connection will initiate a remote desktop session. The protocol used behind this connection is remote desktop protocol. Every virtual machine in Azure is given with the public IP. We can see here, right? This IP address will be given automatically to the virtual machine by Azure. Now, as I can see, I have the option of vm1.rdp. So I'll open, connect. Now, while creating the virtual machine, I specified a username and password. I will use that same username and password to connect to my virtual machine. Once my virtual machine is created, I can use that virtual machine similarly as I use my any on-premises virtual machine. Let it start. So this is my virtual machine. So my server manager is opening. So this is my virtual machine. I have connected my virtual machine. Here I can observe this is VM1 with this particular public IP, and this is the port number using which it is connecting this virtual machine. Now, to add Active Directory or to promote my virtual machine as a domain controller, I will add roles and features. Next, next, next. I will add Active Directory, domain services, install. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So installation is completed. Now I'll have to perform the post installation configuration. Close. I click on the warning sign. Promote this server to a domain controller. So I want to create a new forest. I'll specify the root domain name. Let's say contoso.com. My forest and domain functional level are at Windows Server 2016. If there are any previous servers or any previous domain controllers in my forest, then it depends upon that which level I am on. This will my DNS server also. This will be a global catalog also, but it won't be a RODC or read only domain controller. I'll specify the DSRM password, that is directory services restore mode. Next, we can overview the NetBIOS domain name, which will be assigned automatically. The database paths, database folder, log files, and the sysvol folder. You can review the options. And here we also have option of the script. Right? This is a PowerShell script for ADDS deployment. So in future, if I do not want to use a GUI, what I can do is I can note down this PowerShell command and I can install a domain controller using PowerShell. Next. This will perform a prerequisite check so that if this particular virtual machine or server can be promoted as a domain controller or not. This will take a few minutes. After it is done, I will click install. This will again take a few minutes. As soon as the configuration will be done, my server will restart. That's it. After the system will restart, my server will automatically be configured as a domain controller.